How to fix an overfertilized lawn. All fertilizers contain salts. Adding too much fertilizer to a lawn causes a heavy salt buildup in the soil, which will burn or kill the roots of the grass. The result is patchy areas of dead brown grass. Fixing an overfertilized lawn should begin as soon as problems are observed. The sooner the lawn problem is dealt with, the faster the grass will recover from overfertilization. While the process will take time, only basic lawn tools are required. Things you will need: garden rake, shovel, irrigation, topsoil, grass seed, sod. Rake up the dead areas of grass with the garden rake. Dispose of the dead vegetative matter. If the soil has a white granular color to it, this is excess salt. Remove the top layer of soil if it shows signs of heavy salt buildup. Dispose of the soil. Irrigate the areas with plenty of water. This will flush the soil of excess salts. Add new topsoil back onto areas where salty soil was removed. Level the new soil with the garden rake. Seed the new topsoil area with grass seed or replace with sod. Follow package directions for seeding rates. Irrigate the new seed until germination. When planting sod, keep the area moist. Tips: warnings. In extreme cases of overfertilization, the entire lawn may have to be replaced.